Hello guys, good afternoon here in Pakistan. Now I'm here in my room for rest 1 hour and then that's why I'm here in my room. And then I brush my teeth. This time is my resting time. Let's go brush my teeth. Yes, guys. Done. I'm done brush my teeth. And now I'm finished brush my teeth and then I close my light. Oh, so dark. Oh. Okay, now I'm here in my room. This is my room, guys. Wow. This bed is for my coworker, and then this is my bed, my sofa bed. Did you see? My cloth. I wash my cloth today. That's why I bring in my room. And then this is my bed. Look guys, this is my room, guys. So wow, big room, nice room. Yes, now it's time to take a rest for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour we start again in my work, and then that's all. So now my God, it's so difficult this time. Today I'm alone. I'm alone for two days because my coworker is getting her holiday, so I'm alone today and tomorrow and next day, and then that's it. So but carry on. I can carry my work no matter I'm alone, so that's why. My gosh, so what is topic today, guys? To all my viewers, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, and then please like, yeah, and thank you for watch my YouTube channel. To all viewers, to all subscribers, to watch my YouTube, watch my video. Now I'm finished my brushing my teeth, and then I put some oil on my lips because some dry. Uh, for now, I want clean my room, but I feel tired. So maybe next day or when my coworker come, so I can clean the room if she is here, because my work is some much now because I cook and then I care the baby, and then that's it. Okay guys, bye. Thank you. Please watch my video. Bye bye.